Hi, everyone. Thanks for staying and joining our presentation about the future of research and specifically how digital transformation is being used to empower rapid innovation and how we've helped partner with a large CPG to drive that in their organization. My name is Janelle Hageman, and I've been with AYTM for the past 5 years, and I've spent most of that time in various roles training corporate researchers on how to convert to more of a DIY model and drive innovation forward.
I'm Kristen Powers. I am the Director of Product Education. I'm actually new to the market research world, so this is super fascinating for me. I've been in education for the last 10 years plus as a learning scientist and instructional designer, so a lot of these conversations about business challenges where you're trying to get people to think differently about the approach, the objective, the learnings, what they're trying to get out of it, that's been my bread and butter for years, and trying to understand how to get people to adopt new technologies and understand that takes change and that takes effort. And so that's one of the things we're going to emphasize today in this case study is what does that look like when you approach adopting technology in a new form? So for those of you who don't know about AYTM, it stands for Ask Your Target Market. We are a consumer insights technology platform. There are a couple of things that stand out that are distinct about us. One, we have a proprietary platform. It's integrated with our panel. And so we use that panel as our own. We don't sell our panel. We also make sure that we reward our participants very well. Even if they're terminated, we still give them incentives. Some of the things we heard yesterday about making sure we have empathy for our respondents, that's something that's very close to us and important to what we do. We also have a full team of research experts. So whether you're looking to do it yourself and use the platform on your own, or have us work with you and do it together, or have us do it for you, we have a full set of expert researchers who can do that for you as well.
So why would people use us? It's when you need quick and iterative insights. Our platform can help you with a number of custom research tests like you can see on the screen. Our focus is on automating advanced research tests, but also on the flexibility of the platform. So we want to not only automate these tests, but automate tasks that slow down the research process. They've talked a lot in the past 2 days about getting products to market faster, and not only is that automating your research, but a lot of things that spread out the research cycle. So what we've seen is people creating surveys in Word documents and having to go through rounds and rounds of edit before even getting it into the platform to program it, and then having to do more rounds of edits because it looks different from when you move it from a document to a live environment. So we have tried to also build out the platform to include a lot of collaborative tools to help you do all of that in one place. You can edit the survey as a team group with using tools like Google Doc commenting. We have a feature like that. And then we have question libraries where you can repeat surveys that you're doing all the time so you can save questions and use them forward. And a lot of other collaborative things that you can work with a team or individually to just speed up that research lifecycle.
So we want to share a case study with one of our clients who is a large CPG. Many of you probably have products in your home now from this multinational corporation. They have lots of people. One of the things that we wanted to work with them on was a specific business challenge they came to us for. They knew that in this highly competitive landscape, the only way that they were going to be able to survive, and we've had a lot of conversations about businesses that didn't make the right choice to survive, right, was that they had to adopt a lean approach. And so for them, it was about being able to be quick, iterative, and to be able to have a partner who was going to help them iterate quickly on that. And that meant having a certain number of things in place. They wanted a partner who was going to help them be innovative and to understand their business challenge and to work with them along the way. So it wasn't just about finding a technology solution, it was about finding a partner. And we were able to do that with them. And so we took this work with this company, sorry, I'm going to keep moving this, and found ways to help them meet their goals. And that's one of the things that we really pride ourselves in is our relationship with our people. As much as we're a technology platform, we're people-centric. We wanted to offer them a couple things to help them make their work easier. So first off was the platform. Super easy to use, really easy to create things that might seem complex at first. So we have automated advanced research tests like MaxDiff and choice-based conjoint that you just literally copy and paste your variables into, and you can send that out and get results within hours, not weeks. So we're talking about they're able to do more with this. They're able to send out more surveys. We have some data that Janelle's going to share in the next slide about what they were able to accomplish quicker. We also offered them a variety of support and training options. So it wasn't just that they have to learn this on their own and that they have to figure out how to do all this new technology by themselves. We had a whole support team available to them and different types of training, whether that was our online chat support or our client success team that works with them. We were able to help them through that. And the last thing that we did that was very special was that we listened to them and we asked them questions about, what do you need? What's different? What is exactly the thing that you are trying to accomplish? And so thinking about smart design and objectives, we were trying to approach that every step of the way with them to make sure that as they were growing, we're growing and evolving with them.
Through this partnership with this company and ourselves, we have seen a growing percentage of sophisticated research being done in the DIY model. And we've had hundreds of global researchers join the platform, and 80% of those are active monthly and even weekly. And they've conducted, as some of the stats you'll see on the screen, they've conducted over $3 million worth of research in the past 12 months. But the biggest success we've seen is nothing that is showing here, but more of a reduced reliance on their internal resources, which is the whole point of trying to spend more time on storytelling and strategy, and the biggest goal, which is getting products to market faster. Oh, that's so me too. Some other statistics with this entire case study that we've worked on was also part of a Quirks webinar that we've done that you can see. But some other statistics that we wanted to share were time saved. So talking about shortening that research life cycle, these are some of the things that help them shorten that time frame. Everyone that's familiar with research, I know things are getting faster and faster, but what we've seen before through this partnership, even in the past couple of years, is that they've reduced their time on a max diff, for example, from weeks to hours. As short as overnight, they can get their results back and spend more time on that storytelling and the analysis and what they really want to do, and move everything forward faster.
Yeah, so the bottom line is that they're able to go to market quicker and they are able to reach consumers quicker by using these automated platforms. So one of the things I heard yesterday was about this challenge between, automation and AI and human, insight, and bringing those together, whether it was a collaborative thing or we were working apart. And we're very much on the side of collaboration, that we think computers and technology and AI and automation can help us be better humans and spend more time on the things that we're really good at. And it also offers us a number of benefits. So what could digital transformation look for you if you were working with AYTM? It means cost savings because you're spending less money on fewer questions, getting those insights quicker, and you're also not spending as much time. So we're able to save you a ton of time being able to field these things, get them back quicker because it's all integrated with our panel. And you know that it's quality because we're making sure that our panelists are properly incentivized, that we are respecting them, their time. We have a beautiful UI that's really clean and easy, both for our internal platform and for our respondents as they're going through the questions. It's mobile first. We make sure that that's a big part of what we do. And we also make sure that we are covering all the different types of things you'd want to be testing. So whether that's needing a max diff or a conjoint, we have a lot of different options from very basic question types to video capture or image capture. There's a lot of different response types, even some qual that we have in there.
So at AYTM, one of our values is partnerships. We have clients, but we prefer to be their partners, and that's extended to our partnership with the University of Georgia and their MMR program. And as much as that we offer our platform and our service to them, we learn from them as well. And what the thing is that we want to do is not only are they going to leave their MMR program as experts in market research, we want to help them also be drivers of digital transformation when they go out into the workforce and into their career, hopefully at some of the companies that are here today during this presentation. So the last thing that I wanted to mention, and I appreciate everyone's time and attention today, is that this case study that we went over today was for a large CPG. It might not always fit everybody that's sitting here today listening, but in the vein of flexibility, we are also big proponents of pilot studies. So you can get and then test drive our platform and see what will work best for you. So we just wanted to extend if anyone wanted to reach out after and talk about any type of pilot study they'd like to partner with us on.
And because we want to honor all of you who have managed to stay awake after eating all that lovely food, we have a few beautiful bound notebooks that our CEO, who is a designer, also made. And we would love to gift you with those. Come talk to us. We have a handful. And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Oh,